Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new RingCentral account on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and download the RingCentral app on your mobile device. So go to your Play or Google App Store and you want to get the one of over 1 million downloads with 26,000 reviews. That's the official app. Go ahead and install. And then once that installs, click on open. So I'll pause this video and get back to you once that is done. Alright, open. And now from here you can sign in or create a free account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on free account. I'm 16 or older. Now you've got a couple of different ways how you can sign up. You can sign up using your Google Gmail, or you can put in an email address to create the free account. So I'm just going to continue with Google. Wait for this to load. Now I'm going to pick my Tutorial Wiz account I'm going to sign up with. Sign into RingCentral and create an account. I'm going to click continue. Scroll down, click continue, trust them. And as you can see, it's signing me in. All right, now it's going to set up your free account. So you can put in your company name here, and then you've got to click on by creating an account, you've got to accept the terms, etc. So I want to click that, and now I'm just going to give myself a name. All right, that's done. Now create my account. So give that a few moments to do its thing. All right, once that is done, you're going to be brought to pages like this. So just click next, 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 and then click on let's go. And now from here, just allow your access to contacts, and then from here you can enjoy free video messaging with your contacts.